Hello friends, do you know India is going to be TB free? Our government has already declared it and now it is our turn to make India tuberculosis free.
Very true. There are many misconceptions and not many people come forward.
And that is what stigma is. We need to break the stigma in order to make TB Mukt Bharat as urged by our Honorable Prime Minister.
But why TB is such a big concern in India?
Almost 1/4 of world TB cases are from India and there are almost 25 cases identified per hour in India. And also there are many misconceptions regarding TB, that is why there is late diagnosis.
But anyways, TB is incurable and it spreads by touching.
And that is misconception. TB is not spread by touching or caring for people. It is spread by spitting and coughing. Hence this video is meant to remove all your misconceptions and fear regarding tuberculosis. So please consider sharing this video so we can achieve TB Mukt Bharat.
Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Well, how do we diagnose it?
There are specific signs and symptoms to diagnose TB of lungs, which include blood in cough, cough for more than 2 weeks, evening mild fever, and also loss in appetite and loss of weight.
But what if someone has these symptoms?
Immediately consult a doctor. The doctor will tell you to give 2 tests, 1 chest x-ray and 2 sputum tests.
Why 2 sputum tests?
TB bacteria is not seen in every sputum sample, hence 2 sputum tests so that we don't miss any cases.
When to collect these 2 samples?
Both the samples should be collected on the same day. First sample should be collected before brushing the teeth and second when you go to the laboratory.
As TB is fully curable, how do we treat it?
The treatment should be taken for 6 months continuously without any break. And medicines are available free of cost in all government setups. And DOTS is also implemented.
What is DOTS?
Direct observation treatment short course is when the patient takes each and every medicine in front of a healthcare worker. And if ever the patient forgets to take the medicine, the healthcare worker goes to the patient's house and gives them the medicine.
Government is taking tremendous effort to make TB Mukt Bharat. I've heard something about the skin test done.
Yes, it is known as Montauk's test. However, it is not a confirmatory test as we all are BCG vaccinated at birth. That is why it may or may not be positive.
Does the patient needs to be hospitalized for 6 whole months?
No need. With love and care at home and a high protein diet, the patient will heal faster. However, there are some precautions that should be taken care of. First of all, follow cough etiquettes. Second, a bowl containing bleach should be given to the patient so that they spit in it and it should be discarded 3 times a day.
What is cough etiquette?
Cough etiquettes is something that should not only be followed by TB patients but by all of us. Generally, we have the habit of coughing on our hands. However, instead, we should cough on our arms. And also no spitting because spitting is the major cause of TB in India.
So let us join hands to make TB Mukt Bharat.
Thank you.